Mayor Ham hereby make you the Sheriff of Woody's Roundup. Congratulations! You're now in charge of bringing order and prosperity to our town. So bring in some gold and new toys and spruce up the place. Come on, get a move on.
You won't regret making me your sheriff, Mayor Ham.
All right. Let's start out by breaking down a shack and making room for some new buildings. When you get a mission, the mission list keeps track of all the missions you get. The mission details help you complete a mission. If you need... There, you see that compass in the right corner there? It'll point to where you need to go. All right, now go to it. Great job. You just completed a mission and earned some gold. And there's more gold where that came from if you complete missions for the folks around town. This beacon shows when a toy has a new mission for you.
Howdy. Well, kick my knees and call me a wagon wheel.
I need some help over here. Find me, Sheriff. Yeah, this little guy's just arrived from Sector 4. I'm afraid his green head's gonna get sun-bleached if we don't get him a hat. Toss him at the hat shop.
Your hair
He'll go
of a
inside.
gold rush in weeks.
Ah, looks great. You can dress up the townsfolk any way you'd like.
Well, how do you do? Good gravy.
Sheriff, may I have a word with you?
Just about knocked some
Pardon
sense
me,
into me.
Sheriff. Sheriff, I'm gonna add painting a building to your list. It's one quick and easy way to get things spruced up.
All right.
Hey, Sheriff, where are you? There, if you think it'll help, switch the tool you're holding whenever you want.
Hey, Sheriff, over here.
Pardon me, Sheriff. Looks like Sticky Pete can use some help. If you talk to him, that'll tell you how to get more gold.
Hey, Sheriff, over here. Hoppin', this here's a mining tool to get gold out of rocks. Take it, it's yours. I got others. Now, the only thing gold is for in these parts is to buy toys. Every toy you get brings in more missions, more gold, and more fun. And don't worry, there's always plenty of gold around in these parts, so don't be stingy. It's bullseye! Now you can be the rootinest tootinest and cut your travel time in half by riding the fastest horse in the West. Yeah!
booths for Al's Toy Barn are open for business. Go to this booth to order any toy from Al's Toy Barn. The toys you buy will be delivered on the stagecoach and dropped off at the station platform.
Yeah!
It certainly has been a lazy afternoon.
Oh, yeah!
Thanks for helping me out, Sheriff.
Just about knocked some sense into me. Well, kick my knees and call me
Should we
wagon
get back to the
wheel.
story?
Good gravy. Yeah, that rattled my teeth. Well, kick my knees and call me a wagon wheel. What in the Wild West? Get on over here! I hear Slinky's in dire need of assistance over at the ranch. I hear Slinky's in dire need of assistance over at the ranch. That rattled my teeth.
Thanks for helping. Yep.
Excellent.
Howdy, Sheriff. You mind bringing my cows back into the corral? They think it's funny wandering off and getting all lost.
Should we get back to the story?
Well, looks like everything's in tip-top shape. I like this place. Yeah. All right.
There's a whole new set of games waiting for you when you buy the Green Army Men. Do you have what it takes to take the prize? Buy 'em and see.
Hero work can be rather tiring.
Hey, Sheriff, where are you? Sheriff, your mayor needs your assistance. You know what the difference is between this town and a ghost town? Neither do I. We need some townsfolk.
Yeah! Yeah! Aha! Yeah! Bullseye! To infinity and beyond!
Hey, Sheriff, over here.